Every cake begins with carefully harvested grain. The journey starts long before the bakery. Precision milling transforms grain into ultra-fine flour. Every ingredient is measured with remarkable accuracy. Pure sugar provides sweetness and structure. Modern processing ensures every egg meets strict standards. Fresh dairy gives cakes their rich texture. Even the smallest ingredients are carefully prepared. Everything arrives precisely when production demands. Now the transformation from raw ingredients to millions of cakes begins. Inside the factory, every movement is precisely synchronized. Precision begins with perfectly measured flour. Every ingredient enters the recipe with absolute consistency. Temperature control preserves freshness at every step. Perfect texture begins with carefully conditioned ingredients. Even tiny ingredients are measured with scientific precision. Every batch is verified before production begins. Separate ingredients become the foundation of every cake.
Consistency is the secret behind every perfect cake.
The finished batter is now ready to become millions of perfectly shaped cakes. Automation ensures every cake begins exactly the same.
Carefully controlled heat transforms batter into cake.
Time and temperature create the perfect structure. Every cake leaves the oven at precisely the right moment. Controlled cooling preserves softness and stability. Every cake is inspected before moving forward.
Precision finishing creates a flawless foundation.
Fresh fillings are prepared with the same precision as the batter.
Consistency is maintained in every single layer. Now the cakes are ready for their final transformation.
A perfectly tempered coating creates a flawless finish. Controlled cooling locks in shine and texture. Automation delivers artistry with remarkable precision. Every topping is applied with exact consistency. Intelligent inspection maintains exceptional quality. Every portion is cut with incredible accuracy. Perfect alignment prepares every cake for packaging. A flawless appearance completes the transformation. Only the finest products continue to the next stage. The cakes are now ready for the final stages before packaging.
Perfect timing is essential before every cake is wrapped.
Automation prepares every wrapper with absolute accuracy. Every package protects freshness from the very first seal.
Every seal is verified before leaving the line. Every cake can be traced from ingredient to customer.
Robotics combines speed with unmatched precision.
Every carton is formed with perfect consistency. Each carton receives exactly the right number of cakes. Secure packaging protects quality throughout distribution.
Now every shipment is ready for its final quality inspection. Quality verification begins before every shipment leaves the factory. Packaging must protect both freshness and safety.
Every layer must meet exact production standards. Scientific testing confirms the perfect texture.
Safety testing protects every customer.
Every cake carries a complete production history.
Advanced inspection adds another layer of protection.
Only fully approved products move toward distribution. The final journey through the factory is about to begin.
Every pallet is prepared for safe transport across the world.
Every pallet is secured for a safe journey.
Every shipment receives complete digital traceability.
Automation keeps every product organized and ready.
Every order is prepared with speed and precision.
The finished cakes are ready for delivery.
Every shipment leaves only after final approval.
From one factory, millions of cakes reach customers around the world.
And this is how modern factories produce millions of cakes from start to finish.
Innovation, quality, and automation work together every day.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.